Okay, let's begin the video this way. Here's a box, just like that's a box, and that's a box. What I did to this box is, this was the top of the box. Okay, this was the top of the box, and this was the other side, so they would close like this. If I wanted, I could have done this. Actually not, because they would have never touched until they got to about here. So what would that angle be? Hold on a second. What would that angle be? Where would they actually get the touch? See, these two just touch kissing, so there is no angle. So when I break down the center of the box, I cut out the sides. This is the development. And I noticed I can actually do that and that with the box. And even, hold on a second, bring it in this way, or have a passage between the two, or tilt the two down squarely and have that passage at two different sides of the river. So is that what Earth is, or one part of it, or maybe the energy set up? So we have a base, everything can circulate underneath, and then they have the river connected by the corners, and every element can have passing. We can have passing in here. Even if there's water leaking through the floor, we can just funnel that water like a drain and put it somewhere else, like a sub pump. How is Earth built? You know what I'm saying? Getting our designs, because this is a built planet, right? Unless you don't believe it.